Hi folks, Joseph Kursky here with you to talk about a key theme for our time, and that is GIS helps. GIS helps.
The focus of this video is the theme GIS, or Geographic Information Systems, helps address 21st century world problems and issues. Complex problems that increasingly affect our everyday lives and our communities. We don't have any problems, right? Everything's good. Not. Many trends, Joseph, are going in the wrong direction. The number of fish in the oceans, the water quality, the water that we depend on for life, many health variables, COVID and others, inequality, economic viability of businesses and communities, energy sources and availability, soil chemistry, the number and severity of natural hazards, climate and weather variables, crime and safety, and many others. True, I was just being facetious. I know as well as you do that we have many pressing issues to solve. Yes, indeed, we need to change the direction of these trends. GIS contains many tools to help you visualize, analyze, communicate, and solve problems. ArcGIS Pro alone has over 1,100 tools in it, and that number is probably out of date. The point is, there's a lot of tools available at your fingertips to help solve these problems. But GIS has always been about a thinker's tool. It's a thinker's tool. This tool, your brain, is the most important tool of all. When you use GIS, you're thinking critically and spatially so that problems will be solved with a holistic geographic framework, taking into account scale, systems, and people's needs. Indeed, when you think about the world's problems today, they span many disciplines, don't they? Including energy, natural resources, water, urbanization, employment, agriculture, supply chain management, natural hazards, public safety, health, and many more. These problems also span across physical boundaries, such as watersheds and ecoregions. They also cross and span political boundaries. They're not just the problem of one city, one municipality, one region, one country. They are also increasingly complex, intertwined. For example, water, climate, and population growth and economic viability are all related. Just to give you an example, what happens if there's no skiing in a place where I am, Colorado, in 30 years? What if there's not enough snow and not enough capabilities, not enough water to make snow? What do? What kind of water issues will be involved then? And also, what about all the communities that depend on the ski industry? How do they sort of reinvent their economies? These are all intertwining, complex problems, and they increasingly affect our everyday lives. Indeed, they're all geographic problems. They have scale, they take place somewhere, and they often exhibit spatial patterns, relationships, and trends. GIS helps us layer information in 2D and in 3D ways using powerful analytics tied to spatial statistics and map overlay tools so that we can solve these spatial problems. Spatial problems require spatial tools to help us solve. Thanks.